Any website to important will be one thing is very important. Any website will be indexed by search engine or not. Any email will be indexed search engine or not. Any images will be indexed search engine or not. The totally three options will be depend on options called robo.txt. Robo.txt. So I have totally links will be here. Any link will be stop the search engines. Any link will stop the search engines. The use option call is robo.txt. The syntax will be here allow or disallow. Allow or disallow. If you, the website will be have robo.txt, this is a checking tool. mydomain.com/robo.txt. So first simple thing here, copy the home page, remove the URL, copy the here, now save, go to cpanel, click for file manager, public underscore HTML, upload. If file will be already exist, they call replace. Not exist, upload the new file. Select file. Go to E drive, store files. This option call is robo.txt. If already is there, select for yes. So we can check the previous file. How will be selecting here? Robo.txt. The rating will be like this. The previous old file. See, generated by small tool SEOtools.com here. Everything will be disallow will be CGN disallow. What is showing for allow? So which is not allowing here. Only for disallow will be there. So they will affect by where? Search engine list. So that is called. I'll changing this one. Replace it. Updated done. Now check the file. Is a old file. Yes or no? Now refresh. New file is done. So where you can change option. Reload. What are the option you can delete? Right click, edit, edit. What are the content you're deleting here? Delete the content. Now click for save change. You can see. Updated. All files will be updated. This is called updating for robo.txt. Anyone you have to disallow. I'll show this. I'll finally check by one image. And links also image. The image I'm saying was called loader.gif or anything select by select it. Disallow. Then this is the image. This image will not visible by the search engine list. Don't give the space here. They're not showing for where? Search engine list. When people searching for keyword. So this is a very important for allow or disallow option. So clear? This is using for robo.txt file.